Hi and welcome to another video from the Best of XAT series. Today we are going to look at a geometry question. So what I would suggest is you look at the question, maybe time yourself and try to solve this within a minute. Then you have a look at the solution that will follow. If you are going to take the XAT and are wondering what exactly to do over the next few days, we have a very special video for you in which we have discussed the pattern of the test, the sectional cutoffs, the preparation strategy and the attempt strategy. You can visit the video by clicking on the I button above or from the link in the description box below. Happy learning. Now this is a question that is typical of the XAT and can scare a lot of people away who are not very comfortable with trigonometry. But if you look at it, even if you know the basics of sine, cos, tan, you should be able to solve this question within seconds. It's that easy. So if you look at the question, there is a trapezium ABCD wherein AB and CD are parallel. You have to find the value of sine of angle BAC. So sine of this angle divided by sine of angle BAD, this larger angle that we have demarcated here. Now what do we know about sine of an angle? In a right angled triangle, sine of an angle will be nothing but the ratio of the opposite side to that of the hypotenuse. So what we can do in this context is we can simply drop a perpendicular from, let's say, point C here. Let's call this CE. Now if you drop a perpendicular from C to E on this line AB that we have here, we can say that triangle CEA is a right angled triangle. In a right angled triangle, as I mentioned, sine of angle CAE, or in other words sine of angle CAB, or even you can say sine of angle BAC, this is the same as sine of angle BAC will be nothing but opposite side, which is CE, divided by the hypotenuse, which is AC. So that is the value of sine BAC. Now we are not expected to find the exact value here because there are no numbers given to us. Similarly, if I say drop a perpendicular from D to AB and I call it DF, then in triangle DAF, what can we say about sine of angle DAF? Or you can also say sine of angle BAD, it's the same angle that we have. So sine of angle BAD is going to be nothing but opposite side, which is DF, divided by hypotenuse, which is AD. So this is what we have got in this case. So I know sine BAC is CE upon AC. I know sine of angle BAD is DF upon AD. From the question, sine BAC upon sine BAD is going to be CE upon AC divided by DF upon AD. But we can see here that because this is a trapezium, CE will be equal to DF because both of them are nothing but the height of the trapezium. So because we know that CE is going to be equal to DF, these two will get cancelled out and our answer is simply going to be AD upon AC. So the correct answer here is going to be option 4, AD upon AC. What you also have to keep in mind is that sometimes in a hurry, you will do this entire thing and then you will write AC upon AD as the answer, purely because you can see the two denominators on top of each other, right? So that is basically something that you have to avoid in this particular question. And the other moral of the story is you should not be scared of trigonometry. So even if you brush up the basics of trigonometry, you should be well equipped to deal with questions which sort of pertain to elementary trigonometry. So I hope you have understood the concept and you will be able to attempt these kind of questions going ahead. In case you have any doubts or queries, feel free to put your comment in the section below. Happy learning.